Tonight, I was supposed to go to a party, but when I tried on my trousers, they were too long and too loose. I didn't want to waste time, so I quickly called a tailor nearby and asked if he could shorten them for me. I told him I had a party to go to, and he said he could do it quickly, but I would need to pay $150 for the fast service. I agreed and handed him the money. In no time, the trousers were fixed and I was ready to go. It was a small fix, but it made a big difference, and I felt great at the party.